In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Cloudflare domain to Squarespace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to seamlessly integrate your domain and have your website up and running smoothly. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. This is our starting point, so have your login details ready and type them in carefully. Once you're logged in, navigate your way over to the main menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. You're going to head towards the Settings tab, which will then allow you to access Domains and Email. Under this section, you'll find Domains, so go ahead and click on that option. Once you've reached the Domains section, you'll see a prompt that says, Use a domain I own. Click on this option. Here, you'll need to enter the domain name that you registered with Cloudflare. Make sure to type it exactly as it is, including the .com, .net, or other top-level domains that you may have. Once you've entered your domain name correctly, click on the Connect Domain button. At this point, Squarespace will give you two options. You will want to select Connect Domain using DNS records. By choosing this, you're opting to manually input your DNS records to connect your domain through Cloudflare. Once you've chosen the right option, Squarespace will guide you to the next steps where you'll find the necessary DNS records listed out for you. These DNS records are crucial for the successful integration of your Cloudflare domain with Squarespace. They typically include records such as the A record, CNAME, and sometimes a TXT or MX record depending on your email setup. Do make a note of these records. Taking a screenshot might also be a helpful reference. Now, with your Squarespace-provided DNS records in hand, you'll need to head over to your Cloudflare account to input these details. Essentially, what you'll be doing here is updating the DNS settings in Cloudflare to match the records Squarespace has provided. This might involve replacing any existing records or adding new ones to ensure alignment between the two platforms. Once everything is set up, it may take some time for these changes to propagate across the internet, so don't be alarmed if your site doesn't go live immediately. Generally, DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to fully propagate. There you have it, a straightforward guide to connecting your Cloudflare domain to your Squarespace website. Remember, patience is key during this setup process. And as always, make sure each step is completed carefully and double-check your inputs before moving to the next stage. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been genuinely helpful for your web hosting journey.